Imagine if we could begin to help all students learn to enjoy eating vegetables. Well, we are making this happen through a partnership with Hennepin County Public Health, Chef Marshall O'Brien, and our food nutrition staff. For over a year now, our food service staff have been engaged in monthly trainings with Chef Marshall to learn different cooking methods, for example, roasting versus steaming, and using herbs and spices to improve the flavor and texture of our vegetables. Staff at each site are having a little fun with this by using their creativity to conduct vegetable taste tests with students, staff, and in some cases, parents. This is one way our food and nutrition staff are working to achieve our school district's mission for all students.
Today, along with any of the trainings that we do, we're going to have fun, we're going to get our hands dirty, we're going to learn something. I said it's all about legumes, beans, that kind of thing, and focusing on rice because beans are, I think they're kind of a hard sell. I don't think they're as hard of a sell as they were 5 years ago. Do you agree? So we're making progress, which is fantastic. 15 to 18 years ago, there was typical vegetables, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, California blend, some peas and corn. And nowadays, there's dozens of varieties of vegetables that kids are constantly being exposed to. And it's not just the kinds of vegetables, but it's how they're being prepared. Today, with the training that we're doing, we're focusing on legumes. Every month we're focusing on a different theme, whether it's root vegetables, whether it's whole grains. It could be focusing on specific types of vegetables, and we're incorporating herbs and spices and a variety of cooking techniques. So we're going to be working on refried bean recipes. We're going to work with black beans, doing a hot Mexican black bean dish, and then a cold black bean salad with blueberries and corn and spices, and it's kind of a little unique twist.
Started roasting vegetables more. Broccoli, anything with broccoli is probably a good seller. Kids love the roasted broccoli and cauliflower. Something else that we roast is Brussels sprouts, and the kids enjoy that as well. And we started roasting green beans.
I was notorious for not liking or eating vegetables. And so I think it kind of came out here over the course of a few years here. Lunch staff noticed, I'd eat, but I wouldn't maybe take part in the veggies so much. Well, all of a sudden, they were kind of pushing these veggies on me that were roasted. And lo and behold, I was looking for those items again. There's just a lot more flavor, and when it's roasted, I love it. So I'm kind of the poster child now here for the veggies.
Definitely seen an increase in our fruit and vegetable consumption. Like I said, we work hard at giving them a variety to choose from. We have our veggie trays out with a variety of veggies to pick, and then usually 1 to 2 different kinds of hot vegetables per day. It's definitely made a difference.
I took the black bean blueberry and I put it in my fajita and put some sour cream over it and just ate, and it was actually kind of good.
In the veggies, I really like the celery and all the different varieties with, like the one I tried today, it was with corn and the blueberries, so that was really cool to try.
The veggies have always been good here, and I do eat quite a bit of fruit here too. But lately, they had steamed carrots, I think about a month ago, and the carrots are good and all that. But all of a sudden, I don't know who decided, but they put on crushed garlic and thyme. And I thought, oh my, we have now gone to the big leagues.
The kids really respond well to it as well. They are reaching forward and eating it up. And we can tell when the trays go in, there's not as much veggies being wasted. So it's paying off big time in that sense.
And one thing that excites me about working with Osseo is they're not focusing on you have to do this, but how can we make this great? And that's something that really resonates with cook staffs, and it's obvious because of the attendance that we have on these trainings month after month, and the excitement that people have when I get emails and phone calls from them about, look at what we're doing and how can we keep doing this better. And that's really should be a big hats off to the nutrition department here at Osseo.